In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in your form builder application efficiently. This process is a great way to enhance the forms you create by including products directly, making it easy for your customers or clients to make purchases or selections seamlessly within the form itself. To start off, let's open our form builder application. This application is a powerful tool that allows you to create dynamic and intuitive forms for various purposes. Once loaded, you'll be greeted with your dashboard where you can easily access all your existing forms or start a new one. For now, let's focus on an existing form where you want to add a product. Next, navigate to the Payments tab. This section is crucial as it's specifically designed to manage all aspects related to product sales and payments within your form. In this tab, you'll have the ability to configure payment gateways, set currency, and most importantly, manage your products. It's like the financial hub of your form builder, ensuring smooth transactions between you and your clients. Proceed by clicking on the Add Product option. This step opens up a new window or panel dedicated to product details. Think of this as the storefront setup area where you specify what you are offering to your users. It's important to be thorough and precise here, as the information you provide will directly affect how your customers perceive and purchase the product. Now, you'll want to enter all necessary product details and price. Begin with the name of the product. Make it descriptive yet concise, reflecting its key features or purposes. Next, add a compelling description. This is your opportunity to highlight what makes this product special, its unique features, or the problems it solves. Ensure to use persuasive and clear language that speaks directly to your target audience's needs and interests. Then set the price for your product. It's essential to ensure that the pricing is accurate as it will influence customer purchase decisions right at that moment. You may also have options to add discount prices or promotional rates depending on the capabilities of your form builder. Once all these details are meticulously entered, save your product. This might seem like a simple click, but it's a critical step as it ensures all your settings and details are secure and ready to go live on your form. Saving the product also implies it's now integrated into your payment system and can be selected by users who fill out your form. And there you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive method to add a product to your form builder. Being able to handle this easily not only enhances your form's functionality, but also opens up new avenues for engaging with customers directly.